Are you ready? Are you ready?
No water, babe. Water.
Are you ready? Ayaw.
Inom siya water. Siya mainom ng tubig. Inom water na.
Water. Hi guys, just a short introduction about us. We are a Filipino couple based in Sydney, Australia. Going to Newcastle from our home is about 117 kilometers. We also have an 18-month-old toddler from our trip.
Ready, set, go! Sa mood ang baby.
First stopover, Oliver's.
Oh, we are here at Oliver's for a quick stopover for coffee and yogurt. And Kali is now awake, but she is having a tantrum. Okay.
Wow!
Ow!
Ah, yum yum yum. Yum yum day.
Ang gala ng shoes. You don't want the shoes? Okay.
Lami ra mami. Lami na. We decided to travel during the week to avoid high-priced accommodation and tourist traffic. And most of all, during weekends, I have work. This is also our advanced Father's Day celebration. To all fathers out there, Happy Father's Day! Now we finally arrive in Newcastle. Our first destination, walking from our accommodation to Nobi's Lighthouse. Okay, that's it for day 1. I hope you still watch day 2. Thanks for watching.